Why people are not using DeepSeek in the online while it's free for all? Well, the main problem is the data privacy according to the Chinese government law. While you are using DeepSeek server, mostly cloud server, DeepSeek servers are gathering all the data that you are working with. It may include your anything that you are sharing with the DeepSeek. And according to the Chinese national intelligence law, it says that Chinese government have the access to all the data no matter where you are from. But when you are using DeepSeek locally, that's not allowing their government or DeepSeek to use that data for any purpose. That means you can use DeepSeek locally from your computer without any internet connection. That's why people who are concerned about the data privacies, they're using DeepSeek locally instead of running it on the DeepSeek server. Let's learn how we can do that. I'll show you that step by step. To install DeepSeek in your computer, you have to use Ollama, which can run the DeepSeek R1 models. As I am using my Windows, I have to download the Windows, and after finishing the download, I have to install them. Once the installation is finished, I have to install and download the DeepSeek R1 model. To find that, I have to go to the Ollama's models, DeepSeek R1, and there I have multiple type of models. According to your computer configuration, you can use any of them. The bigger versions you are going to choose, the bigger storage and the bigger performance you need to run in your computer. So to save time, I am going to use the first one. To install that models, we have to copy this code and now go to the Windows option, start the MD to open. Now we have to right click from our mouse that will paste the prompt that we copied just now. And after hitting enter, it will take a bit of time to install and download all the models and all the files it has. Once it says success, the models are successfully installed in your local computers. Now you can run it from this command prompt, but these interface are not easy to use as you all are familiar with DeepSeek's cloud interface. To use the interface like DeepSeek, we have to install another software, which is Anything LLM. So we have to go and search and download the Anything LLM from their website. You can also download it from your Mac or Linux or Windows. As I'm using my Windows, I'm downloading the Windows 64-bit version. Instead of using Anything LLM, you can also use Docker, which is kind of bit trickier, but I found Anything LLM would be easier for you to use. Once the download and the installation is complete, you will get an interface like that. Get started. Now we have to select our LLM providers. As we were using Ollama, that's why I'm selecting the ollama and select the ollama models. It's already selected. I'm not changing that one and going next. Going next again. And now you can sign up with your emails and giving this kind of informations, but we're not gonna do that. We're skipping this process. Now we have to give a name to our workspace. I'm saying it Mrs. Workspace. Pressing next, my DeepSeek account service is ready to go. Now I can do anything or chat with the DeepSeek server locally without having any internet connections. And now go to the Mrs. Workspace, send a message to the DeepSeek server, and let's see how it's working. So I'm saying hi. Let's see what's the response. So it's saying, hi, how can I assist you today? That means our DeepSeek R1 servers is running properly. You can ask anything related what do you want, but this is just a examples that it's working properly. Now you have the access to the DeepSeek R1 servers and you can do whatever you want. All the user data are directly stored to your local computers and this will be not shared with Chinese government or any others DeepSeek server. So this is how you can use DeepSeek locally without any internet. If you have any questions or if you are having any kind of problems, then let me know in the comment box.